Hello everybody, welcome again. Today I've got a quick lesson for you. Days of the week. Are you ready? Let's get started. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These are the days of the week. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What's your favorite day? What's your favorite day? My favorite day is Friday because I visit my grandparents. What's your favorite day? My favorite day is Sunday because I don't have to go to work. What's your favorite day? My favorite day is Monday because I go to school. What do you do on Saturdays? What do you do on Saturdays? I go to the park. I go to the park on Saturdays. What do you do on Fridays? What do you do on Fridays? On Fridays, I go to the mosque and I visit my grandparents. On Fridays, I go to the mosque and I visit my grandparents. What do you do on Mondays? What do you do on Mondays? On Mondays, I go to work, or on Mondays, I go to school. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.